Alright, I'm going to show you all the different ways to get to settings on your iPhone. When you first unlock your phone, you'll land on the home screen, where you can swipe left and right to scroll through your apps and look for the Settings app, which looks like a gray gear icon. Each user, of course, will have their apps set up in a different order, so almost everyone will have this in a slightly different place. Another way to find it, use Search. Anywhere on your home screen, swipe down from the middle of your display, and that'll activate Search. Type in Settings, or just the first few letters, and it'll show up in the results. Tap it from there, and you're in. Another easy way, use Siri. Hold down the side button or just say, "Hey Siri," and then just say, "Open Settings." Siri will handle it for you. Another place you'll find it, swipe all the way to the right on your home screen, and you'll land in the App Library view, which groups your apps together into categories. Mine, for example, has Settings under Utilities. I can just tap it there to open it. Or tap the search bar up top in the App Library, which will show an alphabetical list of every app on your phone. You can scroll down that list and Settings would be there too. Or you can use the search here just like we did earlier. Type in a few letters and the app will instantly show up in the results. Now, let's say Settings is somehow missing from your home screen. I'll remove it here just to demonstrate. If that happens, you'll still find it sitting in the App Library. If that's the case, we can locate Settings in the App Library and add it back to the home screen. Long press the app icon, choose Add to Home Screen, and it goes right back. And once it's back, you can even press and drag it to your preferred position, then tap the check mark when you're done. One last pro tip, sometimes you don't even need to go into settings at all. Swipe down from the top right corner and that opens Control Center, where a lot of your main controls already live. Volume slider, Wi-Fi toggle, there's a shortcut for all the core features and settings. And a lot of these buttons, when you press and hold them, open up even more options. I could switch Wi-Fi networks right from here, set a focus mode like Do Not Disturb or Sleep, pull up the flashlight, genuinely a fast way to access a ton of settings without ever opening the actual Settings app. And these are customizable too, so you can edit your Control Center to include all the buttons you actually use and need on a regular basis. Anyways, that is how you get to settings on your iPhone. Click that like button if this video helped and subscribe for more easy guides like this one. Thanks all, until next time.